Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print money with money printer in Wanted game in Roblox. If it helps, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Alright, there are two ways to get a money printer. The first one is you can purchase it from the shop using your dollar. On the other hand, if you want to get a free money printer, then you have to go Crystal Club and Resort. First, let's see how we can get a free money printer. What we have to do right now is we have to open our map and go to Crystal Club and Resort location. And here we can spin every single day and there's a chance to get a free money printer. If you come to this location, you will see the prize pool. There is also a car if you spin. So if you are lucky, you can get money printer as well as cars. So suppose you have gotten a money printer. Now let's see how we can get money from it. So when you are using a money printer, you will get $500 in every 30 seconds. For example, I'm using 3 printers here and these printers are giving $500 in every 30 seconds. So you have to wait patiently to get money from it. Let's show you a quick highlight how I am getting money from it. And that's it. Now you know how to use money printer in Wanted game in Roblox and get some money. Thanks for watching.